Hey guys, let's check out the new Galaxy S20 phone scope case. Here's the inside of the case. As you can see, we have the 4 rubber bumpers in the corners there. We also have open cell foam strips, and this is our free floating case design. So the phone pops in there, and then as you can see, it's not actually sitting on any of the hard plastic. It's sitting on that foam strip as well as in those rubber bumpers. So there's the inside of the case. Just take a look at the back. Got the Phone Skope logo inlay. So the disc is removable, also adjustable. Phone Skope makes the only adjustable disc on the market. And it just slides down into the bottom. As always, make sure that peg is engaged in the hole. Attach your optic adapter and you're ready to go. This case looks really similar to the other S20 phone scope cases. We did the S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra, just different dimensions, but the features are the same. So you can order that today at phoneskope.com or any of our local retailers.